Gonna play some Monopoly.
Scrabble. Scrabble.
You got your Monopoly over my Scrabble.
Well, you got your Scrabble on my Monopoly.
It's Monopoly Scrabble, a mashup of two of the world's greatest games. Play words to win properties in under an hour.
I have spice.
1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's doubled.
18 spaces and the blue properties. Oh yeah!
Did you catch that? Your score is how many spaces you move on the Monopoly board. Earn properties by making words on the special Scrabble property spaces. But don't get too attached, because if your opponents cover the same color property, it belongs to them. In case it wasn't obvious, you can also snatch up railroads and utilities like this as well. Each property color has been reduced down to one car, so if you have one, you control the whole block. And all that excess Monopoly money? Yeah, that's been reduced as well. What about rent, you say? If you land on the property, just pay the owner what you owe. Got your eye on a property but need some help? You can buy a letter from the letter bank. And now it's yours. Land on chance and community chess and try and stay out of jail. The game ends when you're out of letter tiles in the bag and someone plays their very last tile. If you still have letters, then you have to pay for them. Tally your money and see who won the big bucks.
Cash and properties over $12,000.
A mashup of two of the world's greatest games. Monopoly Scrabble. Brought to you by Hasbro and Winning Moves Games USA.